The rain fell harder than anyone expected. The river overflowed and water rushed through the village. A baby was trapped, carried by the flood, crying as the water rose higher. People shouted, but no one could reach the child in time. Then Jesus appeared. He stepped into the raging water without fear. The flood slowed around him. Jesus lifted the baby into his arms, calm and unharmed. The water settled. The danger passed. This is who Jesus is, a savior who comes when hope seems lost, a protector of the innocent. If you love Jesus and believe he is king, share this message, like the video, and subscribe.